Okay guys, I don't think I'm doing this trend anymore. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's poppin'? In today's video, it's gonna be super interesting because I'm doing something a little different and there's this huge possibility of failing. I think these things are super cool, so why not do it too? I mean, we can see if I'm any good at it, right?
Funny sight. Don't fix it.
Alright guys, brows are done, eyes set. Time for me to do the first filter. So the first filter is going to be, even though it's called which color you should dye your hair, we're gonna be using it for eyelids because that is what I see them doing, okay? Oh my god. Of course! Of course! Oh yeah. Gray hair, you know. Gray hair, of course. That's okay. We gonna make it look good or whatever. I'm supposed to have the Morphe 35K. That is a bunch of cool tones. Let me get it. I'll find it. This is what the Morphe 35K looks like. I honestly feel like I can't use just one gray eyeshadow shade on my eyes. I feel like I need to make it maybe like a tad extra. I'm gonna start by packing in this shade into my crease. Y'all can never say that I have never given y'all a cool toned eye makeup look, okay? Although my Storm was a very much cool toned eye makeup look, okay? Because I mean it's Storm. Then after packing in the shade, I'm just going to blend it out. I think I want to deepen up the crease by going in with this dark shade next to the face shade that I use as a transition. They didn't say how many shades of gray I should use though. So we're going in. And I'm just gonna blend as I go along, so that I don't have to blend afterward, you know? Now I think I'm going to reach for this shimmer shade right here, and I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid. So I don't know about all you, but my eyes done. It done enough. It done. Time to move on. All right. So next up, we are diving in with random eyeliner. It's getting complicated. Jesus Cristo give eyes sure. I think I don't need to try anymore. I will not be a punk. Yeah man, I'm a creative beast. I can do this. I'm gonna take my Seraphine Botanicals Lunar eyeliner. It's a felt tip eyeliner, and I'm gonna attempt this eye. So we was going up in the air like this, and then we're going to make a connection, and then we make a second liner. Oh god, it's not coming out. Oh my gosh. Guys, if regular eyeliner and regular mascara is required to not breathe, these kind of things will make you pass out. Let me do the next eye wing just like this, and I'll come back and we'll continue the rest. Both eyes are halfway done now. Now is the trickiest part of the eyeliner. So it goes something like this. Now is not the time for this eyeliner to not be working. Then we have something coming up. So we have to take this thing in pieces because my felt tip juice can't contact me.
Yeah, it's true.
Listen, I'm not starting to like this one, you know. Using my Ash Lily brow liner, I'm going to go back into my Inglots and hope I get what I'm looking for.
A few moments later.
Well, yeah, this thing not coming out as clean as I'd like, and I'm not appreciating that at all. This is about as much as I could do. There is supposed to be like a space in between here, but this gel eyeliner is not letting me be great. Or maybe I'm just not as good as I thought, you know?
The next day.
I'm sorry, it just hit me just now.
So I proceeded to do this other eye off camera, and you know I get this side much better and looking like the filter more than this side. What am I supposed to do now? I had to make this eye match this eye. So now I have to deliberately screw it up. Why life so? The next filter is supposed to be random freckles. So because it's supposed to be random freckles, I will have to do the rest of my face off camera and come back to see what freckles we're gonna put on the face. Know what I'm saying? I love this one. So for this one, I am seeing there's a lot of light brown freckles on the face. There's blush across the face. And then there's this really, really cute heart emoji. I really need to get a brown to this felt tip liner because pressure right now. It's very subtle. It's not too crazy. This is what it looks like. Then I'm just going to use my sponge and press it in because it's not supposed to look like if it's on my skin. It's supposed to look like if it's under my skin. Time for some blush. I'm gonna use my Tobaglo GP. I'm gonna lightly press that across my face. So what I'm gonna do for this heart is to reach for my Juvia's Place because it has this pink shade in it. It looks whack right now, but I think I'll be able to figure it out shortly. Now I'm gonna take this extremely detailed brush from Real Techniques. This is called the Fine Liner brush, and I'm gonna use this to outline the heart thing that you see there. Guys, I'm making progress. All you seeing that? Proper things that we talk about. Time to move on. Next up, we're going with random blush. Hopefully this does not screw up with my heart, because I mean if it's screwing up with the heart, what's the point? Guys, oh my gosh. Reaching for the Magic Mini by Juvia's, I'm gonna settle with this shade right here, which is called Kogi, and that is gonna be my blush. Taking this shading brush from Real Techniques, I'm just gonna stamp out like a heart shape. Then we have 3 strokes in it. I'm just gonna use concealer to do that. Now it's time for the random face tattoo. Now we're gonna choose lipstick. I don't even know how it is when you wear gloss. Alright. Oh my gosh. It's horrible. But whatever. We gonna follow through. Considering I don't look whack on this channel often, we're gonna allow it this one time. I'm gonna reach for 2 different shades of lipsticks that I have here. I cannot find my Jordana for the life of me. This one is the Maybelline Superstay ink in the shade Pioneer. It's their matte ink, and this one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade American Doll. I'll put them on the back of my hand. So they're actually two different shades of red, as you can see here. Time for me now to fix my hair and come back. The look is finally completed. Do I look crazy or what? I thought it was going to have me looking real haywire, but not too bad. And I think it's probably because the eyeshadow is on the neutral side that these other colors can tie in so well. Plus I'm wearing black, so it also helps. On these TikTok trends, crazy. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the final look, if I was still able to look cute. When my sister saw me, she was like, are you trying to be an anime character? That's the vibe she was getting from it. And to be honest, I feel like I can see it. I see what she's talking about. Would I still go out like this? Of course, because I mean, it's me. I don't care, and I know I still look good despite not looking like the norm. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and until next time, don't forget to watch any of my previous videos that you have not seen. And until next time, toodles.